Hey friends, Jessica Brigham here. Fact, my basement was in some serious need of TLC. And today I'm going to show you how to paint old stone basement walls with DRYLOK, aka the cake batter paint of wonder. Cause yes, you can turn a dingy, damp, and dungeon of a basement into a waterproofed, moodylicious lounge and a space you'll actually want to be in. First things first, let's clean up these crumbly walls. Grab a hard bristle brush, a hammer, a scraper, a tool belt, shop vac, respirator, and protective eyewear. Funky eyeglasses will do just fine. With your hammer and scraper, remove any damaged or deteriorated mortar. Use the bristle brush to remove excess dirt, especially in the deep crevasses. Vacuum up the debris and sweep up large chunks with a broom. Once the stone surface is tidied up, it's time to rock that patch. DRYLOK's Fast Plug works great to block out moisture and cures super fast. Only mix what you can use in a short amount of time. Honestly, I mostly patched major or super dark crevices. I preferred the deep grooves that occurred over time. I think it adds a real nice character. Real nice. Let's break out that paint, boo. But first, a time saver. I knew from the beginning I was painting this basement a moody color. Certain DRYLOK paints are in fact tintable. So I went to my local hardware store and had way too much fun designing a custom color. Calling this one Brigham Green. Using a fat brush or a smaller angled brush like me and an itty bitty brush to get into those tight crannies, apply your DRYLOK in thick globs to achieve ultimate coverage. Vigorously paint in all directions, up, down, and all around. Kind of like this. For super extra deep crevices, swipe a fully loaded brush of paint upward, then right to left until happiness is achieved. Easy as pie, right? Ha, just kidding. I didn't come here to tell you it was easy, but I did come here to tell you it's worth it. The magic of paint never ceases to amaze. DRYLOK, you rock. Because these basement walls are waterproofed and this old stone foundation is restored. Until the next crazy and wild DIY. Catch you later, alligator. Bye. Bye. Character.